Hey everybody, bit of an unusual video, but here is a Patton space heater that I have. I've had this thing for years. I don't use it too often because I've got multiple other sources of heat, such as the window heat pump and of course our gas furnaces. But thought I'd do a video on it because I know people like this stuff. It's got two heat settings, one or two. I don't really know what the difference is. Not sure what it does. I cleaned it up recently because I recently took it out of storage to use it here and there, not much. And it's actually got a feature when it's running, when it tips over, it automatically stops. So we're gonna go ahead and fire it up. It's actually could have ran, but it's too warm in the room. It's kind of warm out. It's like 60 out. Go ahead and fire it up. Puts out a decent amount of heat. I actually have something I could use to get the air coming out of it. I should probably move it a little bit further away from the bed sheets right there. Oh, it just cut off on the thermostat because this thing's actually got a thermostat. But I was gonna say, just got my multimeter out here so we can measure the temperature coming out of it. Being careful not to get, too close. Putting out some heat. Went down a little bit when I took it away from it. That's pretty warm. 100 degrees. How accurate that is, I'm not sure. That's enough of that. I'm gonna take that as my answer. Kind of cool. But like I said, if you tip it over, it actually cuts off. I wouldn't really recommend doing this, but you see it cuts off. Kind of a cool feature. But like I said, it's got a thermostat, so just you notice how quickly it shuts off when I change it. Turn on my flashlight so you can see in there better. Okay, the flash is on. You can see in there a little bit better. See the motor back there? I can still feel the heat coming out of it. Two blade. I guess that wraps it up for this. If you guys enjoyed this kind of content, let me know and I'll do more. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.